Hey guys, I'm trying to do a quick little layout because I'm going to be quite busy tomorrow, and I had this laying on my desk of my sister. This is my youngest sister, and this is one of her, she does traveling drums. I don't know if it's just drums or if it's the whole band, which sucks because I should know that. Anyway, so I'm doing this layout with strictly stash. And so I brought all these little doo-wobbies out, which is all glittery, as you can tell. And I kind of laid them out, and what I'm going to do is pause you so I can glue them all down. I've got a piece of vellum here, and I'm going to map my picture and everything. Sorry, I got a piece of hair here. It's really bothering me. But I'm going to glue these down, and then I'll bring you back in for the rest of it. I just wanted to show you this before I glued it down. This is glaring at you because it's still in the backing sheet, but I've had all this stuff in my stash for quite a while, so I thought I'd get it used up, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just layered it down, put it down, and I tore those. So what I will do now is add this picture. I didn't bring a whole lot of layers in because I had so much embellishing going on. But I thought the vellum really toned the background down of the stars. So let's see here. Guess it's just going to be hanging in the middle there doing nothing. This is just like a film strip. I really liked it down here at the bottom. Don't know if I'll use that. Uh-oh. I wanted to pull these in down here to tie it all in together. I don't know about those two hearts back to back there now. Oh, maybe was it up at the top? Was it at the top? Should have took a picture. I gotta cut that branding strip off too. This is one of those labels I had done, or I stamped these out on label paper. The problem is getting the backing off. I stamped them all out and then I fussy cut them one day. And I have a whole bunch of them. I did all that with those. Actually, I don't think those are on label paper though. I had another one. Oh, was it the I Am? I don't know if I'll put this in there or not. But then I'm just gonna come in with the little dots. Now, I was really hoping to get these used up too, but I just don't think they're gonna work. I don't know, maybe I could cluster them over here. I don't like it. I'll just put that back in the box for the next stash when I do. So these I wanted to sprinkle throughout. Because she's wearing a silver costume looking thing. And I brought out my little tin of punched hearts, but I don't know if I will use those. You know what? I did not get my thickers out. Shucks. Need to go grab those. Nope. There we go. Okay. Let me go grab them. Be right back. Okay, so Traveling Drummer Girl, got that on there. I'm wondering if I could do a little cluster up here. Or I'm thinking that would be too much, but I feel like there needs to be something up there. I'm really hoping my phone doesn't die on you guys. I don't know if that's going to be too small, I guess is another thing I'm feeling like. Okay, so I have 4 of these left, which is totally not happening. We're getting rid of them, which is awesome. So that'll be a sticker sheet down. Sticker sheet? Sticker sheet's probably not the right word. Where are you going? You're going right there. Sticker sheet and a whole bunch of embellishments gone. So not bad. My youngest sister's finally got a page in my book. She's got some, but it's been a while since I've done one of hers, so that's not bad. Putting that back in the stash, all this is gone, so yay. Yeah. Alright. That is that. Hope you guys have a great rest of your night. Oh, and I added this. This is just a sticker that was in my stash, so cool. All right. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.